little bit of a belly flop, but a pretty good dive.
Michael, this is how you do it.
That was a great dive, Alec. Here goes Jack. He's going to get a 10 this time. Straight out, down. Straight down now. Straight down with your hands. A pencil dive. And Michael's going to have a straight, go straight down now, okay?
Did you take a picture of that?
That was much better, Michael.
Did you take a picture of that?
Nope.
Good.
Wow, Alec's really getting good.
Okay, we're gonna have a perfect dive here, Jack.
And I do not want to slip.
And do not fall in.
Hands up over your ears. Lean over.
2,
Lean over. There you go, and then
2,
kick.
3. Go straight down now with your hands. 1, 2, 3, go.
1,
2, 3, go.
Kick.
Lift your feet up just a little bit more, Jack. Okay, Michael. Remember to kick your feet straight up towards the moon and your hands right straight to the bottom of the ocean.
That's a good way to think of it.
Oh, yeah, Michael. Good job.
was that a dive?
That was a real good dive,
I
Michael.
did it when I go.
You did a belly
Yep.
flop. I saw
You do great, Ella.
Do not go flip this time. 1, 2, 3, go.
Good
Good dive, Ella.
Great dive, Ella.
And you did a flip.
Great dive.
Why weren't you in the water?
Yeah.
Good one, Michael.
That was a real dive, Michael. That was great.
Jack.
Jump just like Michael did.
Good one, Michael.
Jack.
Jack.
That was an 11.
What?
That was an 11.
Michael. Good one. That was
job.
excellent, Michael. Good job. Jack,
You see that one?
Go get your hands clear to the bottom now, okay?
kick to the sun.
Down.
Kick up to the sun and hands to the ocean bottom.
Good one, Jack.